Hello, I'm Tilly and welcome to my kitchen. Now I wanted to give you a heads up about some really cheap vegetables that are coming into the supermarkets. So if you haven't heard, I just wanted to let you know about the 19p veg. You know how they do it at Christmas here in the UK? They do things like potatoes and carrots and parsnips, various vegetables for 19p. Really cheap, and I stock up. I get them all prepped, blanched and put in the freezer, and then I make various things out of them. I've got some soup here that I'm just going to show you what I do. So I wanted to tell you about the vegetable prices that are coming up next week. Now I know Sainsbury's, Aldi and Morrisons are doing it. I haven't seen anything about Asda, Lidl's, Tesco or any of the other supermarkets. Now I'm not saying they're not doing it, I just haven't seen any information about it, and I did go looking but couldn't find anything. So if you see anything about other stores, please do let us know in the comments below, because not everybody's got a Sainsbury's, Aldi or Morrisons near them, but they might have one of the other supermarkets. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that they're all going to be doing it. So I'll tell you about the ones that I know about. So we've got Sainsbury's, and theirs is from the 5th to the 9th of April. So that starts next Wednesday, and they're doing British white potatoes, 2.5 kilogram for 19p, carrots 1 kilogram for 19p, parsnips 500 gram 19p, and Swedes for 19p. So brilliant prices. Then we've got Aldi, and theirs starts on Tuesday, the 4th of April, and they've got, so these are all 19p, so I don't have to keep saying 19p. They've got potatoes 2 kilogram, carrots 1 kilogram, parsnips 500 grams, and Swede. Now the potatoes in Aldi is a 2 kilogram bag, and the Sainsbury's potatoes are a 2.5 kilogram bag. Morrisons starts on Monday the 3rd of April, and they've got, again, all 19p, carrots 1 kilogram, parsnips 500 grams, and Savoy cabbage. So all 19p. So really I am going to stock up. I say I'm going to get them all prepared, peeled, chopped, do everything that needs doing, and then blanch them. And for some of, we use it for all sorts of things. Obviously the veg, what you usually use veg for. But I make these soups that I can, and then I put them in my prepping pantry, and they will keep for ages, for years really, as long as they're all sealed and properly done. So that's a vegetable soup, and so is that. So they always vary, because you can see the difference in those two. And this one will have tomato in it, because I just chuck anything in it, and this one doesn't look like it has got tomato in it. But they are really tasty soups. So first of all, I get whatever is in the fridge that needs using. If there's tomatoes or celery or peppers, anything at all that needs using, I'll chop that up and put it in the pan. And I do it in the Instant Pot, because in the Instant Pot it's so easy, because it's got a soup making setting. So all you do is you chop all your veg up, get it all prepared, chuck it in the Instant Pot with your seasoning, and I put pearl barley. This one's got pearl barley in it. Sometimes I put soup and broth mix, like the lentils and all that sort of stuff, and then chuck it in, cover it with water, and press the soup making button, and it does it. It takes about half an hour, and then I can it. So really simple. And if I've got all the veg made and put in the freezer, I can just put a few handfuls of each veg: carrots, potatoes, parsnips, any of the root vegetables I use a lot for this sort of thing. So it works out really handy. Now this is a litre, and that is 2 really big bowlfuls. We try to eat quite a lot of this because it is so healthy, so good for you. So we have big bowls of it. So that is 2 big bowls, and obviously that's half the size, 500 ml, 1 bowl for 1 person. Oh, excuse me, too much talking. So that's what I do. I just get it all prepared, don't waste anything. And now I've got the hot bin composter, so any peelings, because you get a lot of peelings for this sort of thing, will go into the hot composter. So brilliant. And they are also, some of them are doing meats as well. So Sainsbury's are doing leg of lamb for £6.50 a kilo, which is half price. And for 1/3 off, they're doing Taste the Difference 30-day matured beef roasting joint. So that's £10 a kilo. But a lot of them are doing the legs of lamb. So the legs of lamb is £6.50 a kilo at Sainsbury's. That's the cheapest one I've found so far. Aldi, Aldi are also doing the leg of lamb, £6.49, so 1p cheaper Aldi a kilo. Morrisons leg of lamb is £7.99 a kilo. And I think Tesco, oh no, this was a beef roasting joint from Tesco. You have to have the club card to get it at this price, £7.50 a kilo. That's the club card price. So that's the prices that I've found out about. So let's try and find them all. Leave it in the comments so we can share. So hopefully we can take advantage of this offer, get some nice cheap veg in and save some money. So that was that for this week. That's I just wanted to let you know. I do hope that's helpful and you can make use of it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, click the little bell notification and click the like button, please. So hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.